Hey, you, yes, you with a confused face, wondering why every love you have ends like giant beast stew left in sun, gone bad fast. Me tell you truth, not fancy, not magic, but truth no one want to hear. If you listen, maybe you keep next love alive. If you scroll away, don't cry when you alone by cold fire. Not because moon angry, not because magic rock cursed you. It's simple, and me explain. First reason, you stop hunt together. At start, you chase giant beasts side by side. You share danger, share victory, share big fire after. That make bond strong. But later, one hunt alone. Others stay in cave, stare at shiny stone. No more adventure together. Love like hunt. Must move. Must do things together. If you stop, you drift apart like two logs in river. Second reason, no talk. In beginning, you talk much. You grunt happy, tell each other stories, laugh until belly hurt. But then talk turned to argue. Argue turned to silence. Silence turned to nothing. When you stop talk, you stop know each other. You start guess, and guess often wrong. Caveman know. Silence kill love faster than saber tooth. Third reason, no respect. At first you treat other like treasure. You bring food, share best piece of giant beast meat. You forget to show gratitude. You forget to notice small things. Love no like being ignored. No respect is like dropping meat in dirt. Soon it rot. Fourth reason, you no grow. At start, both of you learn, explore, dream big. But later, one want to climb mountain, other just want to Caveman see many couple where one chase stars, other chase nap. Soon they live in same cave but hearts far away. Fifth reason, too much comfort. Sounds strange, but true. When everything easy, you forget to fight for each other. When you think other will always be there, you no put in effort. Love like fire. It die if you no feed wood. You must keep spark alive with small hunts, small surprises, small. Me think of you moments without. Fire turn to cold ash. Sixth reason, wrong expectations. Many human think love always feel like first hunt, first kiss, first fire together. They think it always exciting. But truth, if you expect it stays same forever, you feel bored and run away. Caveman know. You can't hunt first giant beast twice. But you can hunt many together if you understand love's new form. Seventh reason, outside temptation. Maybe other shiny rock catch your eye. Maybe you see someone with bigger spear. Caveman warning, sometimes it just shiny because you far away. Many human leave good cave for something that look exciting, then regret when they see it just pile of wet moss. Eighth reason, forgetting to be friends. At start you laugh together, share secrets, tease each other. But later, you only talk about problems, bills, or who forgot to put spear back. You stop. Love without friendship is like bow without string. It look like weapon, but it can't hunt anything. So, how to stop breakup? Me tell, keep hunting together. Go on adventures, try new things, keep talking. Not just about problems, but about dreams. Funny things, even small nonsense. Show respect, say thank, grow together, learn new skills, share goals, keep spark, small gifts, small surprises, small me care moments. Understand love change and embrace new stage. Resist temptation. Remember why you choose them and never forget to laugh. Friendship make love. Survive winter storms. Many human think love is work. like building fire in rain. But if you keep feeding it, keep protecting it, it will keep you warm for many seasons. If you stop, it go cold. Me caveman, me see this many times. Me hope you not make same mistake. If you want more truth from caveman about love, life, and why humans act so silly, hit like, smash, subscribe, and share this before someone's love turn to cold ash. Me caveman, me go.